All right, what do you hear? What do you say? I just found another trail right here. I don't know the name of it, but apparently no pets allowed, and foot traffic only. No paw traffic, apparently. So this is a concrete trail. And it's a beautiful sunny day here in Jupiter, Florida. Got my hot coffee like always. It could be 152 degrees and I'll be drinking a hot cappuccino somewhere. It's just what I do. Now I'm wondering when this trail is gonna get like a little interesting, you know? There's like there's no trees. There's like bushes everywhere. There goes a little lizard over there. So far, that's the most interesting thing I've seen so far. Oh, what's this over here? There's a little signage. Gopher tortoises. That's right. They don't swim. Some people pick them up, throw them in a pond, and then they drown. Oh, it looks like we got some animal footprints in the concrete. I wonder if that was done on purpose. Probably not. Probably a raccoon. So we finally came across some trees here. And you got a cactus. Prickly pear cactuses, or cacti. Some palm trees. Looks like I'm about to walk into a jungle over here. All right, so we got some boardwalk. All right, now things are getting interesting. So it looks like that there is there's a spider web right here. I don't know if you can see it. All right, let me duck underneath this. Looks like there's some kind of, I guess you would call it like a dock. Oh, another spider web. Jesus. A little hut. I'm in a hut. That's a nice view, huh? Sit on this bench, read a book. Yeah. Well, that was awkward. I just ran into a guy. He saw me talking. to myself, pretty much. What are these? Think they're edible? Well, that's this trail. That's all there is. Actually, it looks like there's more over here. I don't know if I want to go there. Off the beaten path. Well, that's it. That's the video. That's the trail. I'm gonna finish my hot beverage and call it a day. Until next time.